I have here a rolling laptop bag. This bag is going to be perfect for the people on the go. Here on the front, we've got some little straps that are magnetic. You can flip this open. Right here, there's a nice big pocket where you can put like a paper notebook or something else similar. And if you unzip this here, inside here, we've got some pockets for some smaller items all over here, and some spots for some pens or pencils. So there's lots of little pockets inside here. There's also a little hook that you can clasp on like some keys or something like that, so you're not going to worry about them getting lost. Moving through the back here, we've got this pocket right here. If you open this one up, this is going to be where you're going to want to put like your laptop or your tablet. So we've got a laptop here. You can have a laptop and a tablet. These are padded pockets, so it's going to help keep things protected. Plus it's got a little band to help keep anything from falling out. And there's a few other pockets as well if you want to put a couple of smaller items in here as well. The main pocket right here, if you zip this all the way open, it does have some Velcro holders. You can see it's held in place. If you want, you can disconnect those and it will flap all the way open like a suitcase. And this is going to be where you're going to want to put your clothes. So I've got some shirts and some shorts. You can see it's going to have plenty of space to store all your clothes in here as well. It's got the strap to help keep things from falling out. And then it's even got some pockets for like some socks or other small items right there. So I've got the Velcro reattached here, so it's going to not flop all the way open. There's plenty of space in here for all the clothes that you're going to need. And when you're ready, you can zip it up and have everything nice and tidy inside. There's a little pocket on each side that's going to be for like your phone or charger or just small accessories right there. And then here's the one on the other side. So unlike most other briefcases, this TSA lock right here is going to lock two compartments at the same time. It's going to lock your laptop compartment and your clothes compartment. You're going to lock them on opposite sides here, and you just engage the lock just like that, and then you can adjust and set this combination to whatever you want. And then when you need to, you can just pop it open. And this is also TSA approved, so you can take it on airlines. So here you can see both compartments are locked, and it comes with instructions that shows you how to adjust the combination to whatever you want. Once you've got your combination in and you want to pop open a compartment, you can do this button for just this one if you want to get out just this one, or this button over here to get to the other compartment. So this is a rolling bag as well. You can unzip right here. You can pull out the handle, lock it into place, and then you can take and roll it behind you. So the pulling rod is super sturdy and strong. The wheels are nicely made as well. They're nice and silent and smooth, so it's going to pull behind you really easily. You can see down here on the bottom, it's got some reinforced plastic to help keep things nice and sturdy and stable when you're moving it around and rolling it from place to place. So even with this nice rolling handle and this large bag, this is considered a personal bag for most airlines, as it will fit underneath the seat. So you do not have to consider this a carry-on or check this. So it can save you a lot of money of having just this one bag just in the baggage fees. So this rolling laptop bag is super handy. It's high quality. It's nice and small, but holds a lot of stuff. There's lots of space in here. I've got more space even than what I put in here. Plus, because it is small enough to fit underneath the seat on an airplane, it's going to save you $40 to $80 per flight on luggage fees. It's super handy. So just somebody that travels a lot, if you want to save money, this is a great option to use.